Dan from HDFX, and I would actually like to update my idea on British pound US dollar, which I will put the link of the previous video. Okay. Now, the argument was this being the wave one. Okay. We had a wave one here. We had a wave two somewhere here. Okay. We had a wave three, a four, and a fifth wave. And my argument was this being wave A of a zigzag. Okay, wave A of a zigzag on the bigger degree. Okay. Now there's also a bigger time frame analysis too, and this is why if you see this bigger wave analysis, then you could see that's why I am thinking the way I am thinking. Okay. Now on the bigger time frame, we are actually looking for a fourth wave of a terminal move. This is why what I am expecting from this move to be a corrective move, not an impulsive move. And this is why I didn't label this as a wave one, and maybe somewhere around here, wave two and three. Okay, but let's see what will happen. Now, my previous idea was the fact that the B wave ended somewhere around here. Okay, and I took the time taking for this and put it here. Okay, and I was still expecting a bullish move, and I think it was not here, but I don't remember exactly, but probably somewhere here. Okay, that the idea was I put the B wave here, and from here I was expecting something like a first wave, a second wave, a third wave, and a fourth wave, and a fifth wave. Okay, that was the main idea, but I was expecting this stuff to happen during the time frame of this move. Okay, and now the time has passed. Now because the time has passed, that analysis can no longer be valid for me. Okay, even though the direction is right, no go. Now because this is a no-go, now we have to find something different. Okay, because the time of wave A and C in a zigzag has to be well, similar and equal. Now if we have and this, it looks like it's I would not accept this too much. So what I am thinking at the moment, I took this time and I put it here, and we have the exact same time, and maybe we have something like wave 1, 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 5 here. Now if that is the case, okay, then can this be the wave B, and can this be the wave C? And whatever we have here can be an X wave. Okay, and after this, after this, can we have something like wave 1, wave 2, another zigzag, wave 3, wave 4 just finished, and wave 5. Now this is what I'm looking for. Now if this is the case, okay, also, well, there's a couple of problems with this scenario as of now. Okay, now maybe this is the third wave and this is the fourth wave, and I would rather put the second wave here because of the 2 to 4 trend line situation. Okay, but it doesn't change the overall picture so much. So if this is the case, there are some couple of things that I should be careful about. Number one being, where does this B wave come back as a retracement? So this is the start of the move, and let's see if the B wave comes more than 618, we have a problem, but we don't. That's good. And also, this is the end of the move. As you can see, X wave doesn't come 6182, so it's a small X wave. So we have an A, B, C, an X wave, and maybe another A, B, C. Now the thing here, the most important thing here, do we have an extension? Now, if this is the length for the first wave, let's take the fib level for it to see if our third wave is more than 106.18 of it. Okay, so let's do that, and let's check this. Put it on the second wave. Okay, so we can even put the third wave here. Now, I was expecting this triangle formation to be over and well, because the same move you almost have it in euro, US dollar, and dollar Swiss franc. Okay, and so this was an something that is expected to be broken and all broken on the same way. Why? Because of the global dollar weakness, which is good for us. It gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a triangle. Okay, so you have something like CE here. That's broken. Okay, so now this first time is for this. Now we should measure the second time. But where does this fifth wave end? So whenever this fifth wave ends, okay, I will do something like this. Whenever I feel like the fifth wave has ended, I will draw 2 to 4 trend line. I know my 2 to 4 trend line now. Why? Because the fourth wave has been completed. Now I can draw this. Now this 2 to 4 trend line is important. Why? Well, whenever this fifth wave is done and we start to have this retracement, now the 2 to 4 trend line has to be broken. And when that is done, we have this. This will be the end of the wave A. Whenever this end of the wave A, because this is an impulsive move, we will have a B wave that should not end more than 618. So let's assume that this is the end of the fifth wave. Okay, so let's say it is the end of the fifth wave. So if you want to take a long, this can be your stop loss, your 618 level. But part of the B wave can actually retrace more than this. Okay, part of the B wave can actually be more than this. But still, end of the B wave should be somewhere around this region. Okay, after this, what we should do after the B wave is done, we should take this and actually put it on the right side again for the C wave. Now, can this move be a double zigzag? Well, it can. Why? Now that we have a zigzag and a small X wave, okay? Well, we can have another zigzag because we already started with an impulsive move. That's one possibility. The other possibility is this. So we can have a zigzag and an X wave and a zigzag and an X wave, another zigzag. This is called a triple zigzag. That's one of the options as well. And we have one final more option, and that being we will have a two zigzags and a triangle. In that case, this is called a triple combination. So far, whatever this move is, it looks to be one of these three, if this labeling is correct. Okay. Now, if you want, of course, you can even do further analysis and add more stuff to under your belt. But I think for this moment, for this particular pair, this should be enough at this time. Okay. So thank you so much, guys, and see you on the next one.